Hello friend, today I am going to tell about a common problem which you can fix very easily in a minute. If you have seen an icon instead of thumbnail, then it helps you to show thumbnails instead of icons. Let's start.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
Click on the Windows icon to open the Start menu. Write Advanced System Settings and click on that. Click on Advanced tab. Open Performance Settings. Proceed to the Visual Effects tab. Make sure to check the Show Thumbnails instead of Icons option. If it checked already, then uncheck and save. And then again check and save. Hope your problem is fixed. If it helped you, then please like the video and subscribe the channel.